Who is ready for another episode of Sneaker Mystery Box Fridays, guys? This one is going to be a banger. It is a huge box, and I'm really excited to get into it. But before we do, I want to give a shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Movement Watches. Now, Movement Watches, or MVMT, was founded on the belief that style should not have to break the bank. And man, I am definitely down with that vision, because you guys know on this channel we're all about trying to get great savings, but also we want to look good at the same time. And so that's why I'm really down with the vision of Movement Watches, guys. Now, if you have not seen this watch before, this is actually the Astro Blue watch. I'll put it up over here, and I'll give you guys a close-up over here too. This is the Astro Blue Movement watch, man. Such a great minimalistic vibe. And if you guys peep that band on the watch, I actually just changed it over to the leather strap, because Movement watches are very, very easy to customize by just changing out your band like on the fly. So that's what I decided to do there. And even better, Movement Watches is hooking up the Untitled Hana with a 15% discount and free shipping when you guys go to mvmt.cc/UntitledHawaii. Again, that's mvmt.cc/UntitledHawaii, man. 15% off your order and free shipping. Can't go wrong there. Great prices, getting even better, dude. And now we can get into the beater box, guys. This one is $2,400. Huge, huge box, and we're gonna be opening that up right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untitled Hawaii here, coming at you with another video. In this video, we have a sneaker mystery box for you guys, or the beater box series, whatever you guys want to call it, on Sneaker Mystery Box Friday. Now, this box is $2,400 from Soul Supremacy. Soul Supremacy, OG kings of beater boxes, man. Really excited to open this one up, and I want to give you guys a quick update, because I told you guys on a recent video that if that video gets 5,000 likes, then for the halfway point of Sneaker Mystery Box Friday making a year, week 26, I will be opening up a $5,000 beater box. Now, that video got 5,000 likes in the first 2 hours. So, as promised, guys, I actually ended up buying that $5,000 box. It was purchased from Direct Kick, so I'm excited to open that one up, man. Anyway, we have a $2,400 banger for you guys right here. Let's check out what we got. No way. Ooh, okay guys, so there's a shoe out here on the top of the box that I know is gonna be the money shoe, and I'm freaking out. Oh man, I got goosebumps. Okay, anyway, this is gonna be a great box. So we're gonna save that shoe for last, but let's get into the early stuff first. The first shoe that we have out of here is actually a pair of Revenge Storms, it looks like, with a pretty broken box right there. This one is in a size 8, and it looks like we have a pair of dead stock Revenge Storms, so that's pretty cool. It's in like this kind of like hot rod, like fire kind of colorway, man. Very interesting sneaker right here. I'm not super big on Revenge Storms, but this is a pretty clean aesthetic, dude. It gives it like an old school kind of vibe. Not sure what the value of this is dead stock, but I mean, dead stock sneakers are always the best way to go. Problem is that the box is damaged, so it's gonna be hard to list that as dead stock on like apps and stuff. So that's gonna be tough, but if you guys want to check out any of these shoes, they will be on the web store as well. That's also linked in the description below. So next shoe out, we have a pair of Jordan 7s. This one is in a size 9. I'm not sure what the colorway of this one is called, but I mean, it's a pretty nice aesthetic, to be honest, guys. Check this thing out under the camera. This Jordan 7 is actually pretty dope, man, and it is in very solid condition. You guys can see there's like basically no toe box creasing over here. Shoe itself looks like it's in very, very good shape. Bottoms does look like it was worn or tried on once, so that's kind of unfortunate, but overall pretty nice piece right here, dude. Okay, we have an Adidas Human Race box, it looks like now. This one is a size 10.5. Okay, it's a dead stock pair of Human Races, so that's good. However, the problem with this one is that it's in a colorway that not too many people were fond of. You guys can check this out over here. This is the Human Race from the Inspiration Pack. A little bit too colorful and not something that a lot of people were very fond of. However, the fact that it is dead stock is still good, and I believe that they're still going on the aftermarket for maybe like 200 something bucks. So that's some pretty decent value there. Again, you don't complain when you get a dead stock sneaker in a mystery box, guys. It's too easy to move. Oh, okay, next shoe out. This one is a Jordan 9 in a size 9. We haven't gotten a Jordan 9 in a while on the channel. Oof, and this is actually not a bad Jordan 9, man. These laces are very frayed though for some reason. I'm not sure if this is typical, but when you guys look over here, these laces look super worn. Like it's just very like unraveled already. I'm not sure if that's the look, but that's the first thing I noticed when I looked at this shoe. But other than that, nothing crazy on here. There's no scratches. This should have some decent value. Jordan 9s are typically not a good reselling kind of shoe, but I think that this one should still fetch maybe like 100 something bucks. Okay, next out is a Nike box. This one is a Air Max 180 in a size 8, and we have a pair of the Cdg Air Maxes, man. Ooh, this is very this is something, man. This is something. I believe this is a collab with Cdg or Comme des Garçons. I mean, it's very pink, as you guys can see, and it's a little bit extra if you ask me. I'm not sure why this is a Cdg collab because I don't see any Cdg branding on here, but when I look at the box, it does have Comme des Garçons on it, so this is apparently a collab with them. The only thing that I can see for like collab stuff on this shoe is right here on the insole. You guys can see Comme des Garçons on there. Other than that, I don't see any branding that shows it's Cdg, so kind of interesting choice right there for design, but yeah, you guys know what it is. Cdg is an expensive brand, so hopefully this one fetches some good value as well. Okay, so 3 shoes left, and we still have that banger left in there too. This one is a Jordan 5 in a size 9.5. Oh, okay. I think this is another dead stock shoe. It does look like it's dead stock, so another good dead stock pair. And this is actually a pretty sweet shoe, guys. This is the Jordan 5 gold medal. Now you guys can tell why it's called the gold medal. Right at the top, the tongue over here, very standout gold. The rest of the shoe also has some gold accents over here and also on that lace lock too. This is a nice Jordan 5 and honestly a pretty underrated Jordan 5. Also comes with the receipt in here too, and other shoe is wrapped, so that's good right there. So before we get to the shoe that I was most excited for, here is another, ooh, interesting. This is a size 10.5 off-white box, and it's from the original 10 collection. Dude, I was just thinking about picking these up and it came in a beater box. No way, man. Whew. This is a dope box. So this is a pair of the off-white original to 10 Blazers, man. And honestly, like, since I picked up those like Sakai Blazers recently, I've been really looking at Blazers a lot more because I did not realize like how comfortable they are, and they just really fit well on my feet. And you guys can see, this one is in pretty solid condition, guys. Obviously worn, but not any damage it looks like on the uppers over here. Bottoms, you guys can see it is definitely worn, but it doesn't look like it's like worn down too bad at all. You guys can see that off-white branding over here and just that contrasting upper with obviously that iconic tongue from the 10 series. So this is a nice pickup, man. I was literally guys just looking for this online, so I'm super stoked this came in a box in my size. Like, oh my gosh, this might be one of my favorite boxes that I've made like all year. This is crazy. It does have all the laces in here too, and also the zip tie, so this is perfect. I'm probably gonna end up keeping this one. Sorry if any of you guys are thinking about copying this. I mean, it's too perfect not to keep, man. And now I can finally show you guys what I was super stoked over from the very first second I opened up this box, because this one is in a very unique box, which if you guys are fans of not only this dude but of sneakers in general, you guys should know what this is. This is the Cause Jordan collab, man. Jordan 4, and this one, oh no. This one is in a size 10.5, and I think this is in the colorway that I don't have yet. Cause collab does have special Cause paper as well. You guys can see Cause Air. Ooh, I forgot, it does come with the dust bag too. So this one is a Cause dust bag, Cause Air right there. For the actual shoe, guys, this right here, I'm happy to show you guys, is the Jordan 4 Cause in the black colorway. So this is a very sleek shoe, guys. Check this out. So right here, first things first, you guys can see the hang tag does show Cause Air. Also on the back, you guys can see that Cause Air branding again. And throughout the entire shoe, there are Cause hands, which he's very iconic for, those like Mickey Mouse hands running throughout the entirety of the shoe. A lot of premium materials on the upper over here. Bottoms does have a glow in the dark sole as well. And you guys can see this one does look like it's worn, but it's barely worn. So this is in very solid condition. So crazy. Am I gonna end up keeping this sneaker as well? I was just thinking about picking this one up too, because I have the gray pair, but these shoes have been going up in value like really fast too. So I'm not sure what's going on. I guess people are starting to realize like how nice these sneakers were and how limited they were. So I'm thinking that these will continue to rise in value as well. So this is a dope way to end the beater box, man. So stoked on this sneaker right here. I just realized I'm wearing the Cause shirt too. It doesn't get better than this, dude. So crazy. This was a banger. This is a great box, man. So we got the off-white blazer, a lot of nice Jordans and stuff in here as well. Should be great value on this one actually. So hope you guys enjoyed this box, and I hope you guys mark down your calendars for week 26. I believe that's in like 2 weeks, so that $5,000 box will be coming in hot, man. And I'm excited to open it up with you guys on camera. So stay tuned for that, guys. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Again, check out Movement watches at mvmt.cc/UntitledHawaii. Pick up your Astro Blue watch today, guys. Also, if you guys are new here, feel free to subscribe down below. Hit that like button if you guys enjoyed this video and you guys enjoyed the reaction to the KAWS Jordan 4. As always, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care. I will see you guys on the next episode. Aloha. Shoot!